Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Hyundai Kona Premium. This car comes with the hybrid 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 118 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 47 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 11 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 9,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Atlas White and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have the nice clean interior. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. Being the Premium, the car comes with a long list of features. These include the multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then also you have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so ideal for the winter months, as well as climate control, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Opening the rear doors reveals a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own USB charging port there in the centre. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that is still in place. Underneath the boot floor you've also got some further storage there, as well as your battery, and the boot floor can also be adjusted with height as well, so it's at its highest point at the moment, but you can lower it as such, and then that'll give you a few more inches of storage space. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and then also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.